Hey YouTube family, it's your girl Gina. Hey y'all, we about to harvest the last of our fall potatoes. This is my 65-gallon grow bag. And we're gonna go ahead and get it harvested. It's cold out here. It's been cold for a while. We done definitely had many frost days. But I was just trying to let it thug through. As you can see, it's starting to die back, but not completely die back. But we're gonna get it. We're gonna see what's in here, if anything. Okay? This is my first time growing potatoes in the fall, so we're gonna see how we do. Well, we got a couple. I just saw a couple fall out. All right, y'all. So, let me, excuse me. Let me try to get y'all closer. Yeah, it ain't supposed to rain today, but I think I am hearing sprinkling. The heck? All right, hold on. All right. I'm definitely hearing sprinkling. So let's get this done. Got my basket here. So, like I said, I saw a couple fall off the plant. Not bad. Y'all, why is squirrel done hid his nut in my garden? Child. Alright. Oh, probably need something to put some of this soil in. So I'm trying to be gentle. I know it don't look like that's what I'm doing, but I am, because you see I ain't broke the skin. But it had a lot of soil on it. Yeah, I need to go get. I need to get some to put some of this soil in because I planted these kind of deep. Excuse me. I'm almost done a foot still digging out potatoes. So let me get something to put some of this in. Alright, so I brought over 2 just in case. As you know, if you just get 1, you'll need 2. So see, I told y'all bring 1, you'll need 2. Trying to make sure I don't lose it because that's some good soil. Y'all see, even though it's wet, it's still really loose. There we go. A big one. Another nice size one. All right. what I said. I see baby ones in here. So, another squirrel treasure. And more potatoes. So, what I tried to do is, as I saw the little ones, pull them out. That's what y'all saw me tossing over there. So I don't have many volunteers. I'm gonna have volunteers. There's no way around it, but this soil is not staying right here because this bag has to move. Ooh, yeah, I just disturbed a spider. Let me tuck that back. But let me show you what I got. This is what I got out of that container for some fall potatoes. So what I may do next time, I think this is really good. First of all, let's start there. This is my first time growing it this way, and I don't think that's bad. Now for this size container, definitely could have got more. So what I'm gonna do next time is probably start them a little bit earlier than I did this time, so that it gets the full amount of time to, you know, grow and all that stuff. I did fertilize. I also made sure I kept the soil moist, and I love the fact that it's still, even though it's moist right now, it's still nice and loose. My hands are cold because it is chilly out here. So yeah, you can harvest potatoes in November, guys. So yeah, uh-oh, let's not do that again. I keep disturbing. There's a spider like right up under the tuck, and it's a nice little size spider too, of this bag. But you can harvest potatoes in November, okay? So like I said, I'm gonna next year probably get them started earlier. Still probably harvest in November, but they should definitely be kind of die back at that time when I do harvest them. So experiment to me went well. I am not mad at this. So guys, I'm gonna get these inside. I'm gonna cure them up. These are, I think, red Norland potatoes. They have a red skin, white flesh. But yeah, some of the little ones, like I said, I pulled out and set them to the side. I might just put them into a pot and let them be volunteers in one of these pots next season. I just throw them on top right now, but I might come back later and kind of tuck them in, so to say. So yeah, guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let everybody know you can grow potatoes into the fall, okay? And I'm in zone 6B for those who don't know. So it gets cold here fairly early. It probably probably second week to mid-October. We started getting some chilly days. And I told you I'm in November, okay? So we beyond chilly at this point. But anyway, guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.